Okay, now let's graph y equals negative log base 3 of 1 minus x plus 1. In blue, I already graphed y equals log base 3 of x. And we're going to make the appropriate changes to arrive at our final destination, which is this function right here that we want to graph. Great. So now let's look at the changes. First thing I would like to do is to factor out a negative, because we have 1 minus x. I want to see x being positive. That makes things easier. Okay, so starting at every point A and B on our blue line, the first thing that's going to happen is that we're going to get negative A comma negative B. And why is that? Because of this negative and that negative. Basically, the graph will be reflected on the x-axis and the y-axis almost simultaneously, really. And then finally, we're also going to go one unit to the right because of this negative 1 over here, and 1 unit up because of this plus 1. So this will become negative a plus 1 and negative b plus 1. But first things first, let's go from here to there. So this is 1 comma 0, it will become negative 1 comma 0. 3 comma 1 will become negative 3 comma negative 1. And 9 comma 2 will become negative 9 comma negative 2. Now let me try to draw a smooth curve here with my software. Kind of challenging, but let's try to make it happen. Yeah, that's okay. Try to represent y equals log base 3 of x, but just backwards. Something like that. It should be actually a little bit closer, in fact way closer here. That's okay, since it's just an illustration. Okay, but let's not focus on that. Now we're gonna need to move to the right by 1 unit and up by 1 unit for every point. So over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1. And note that our new asymptote is going to be right here at x equals 1. Great. So now our final graph is going to look something like this. Let me try to be a little bit neater this time. It's kind of challenging to draw with the software though. Okay, and then just go for our asymptote, something like this. Great, so our red graph is y equals negative log base 3 of 1 minus x plus 1. And that's it.